That pain you've been carrying around, I need you to hear this. It's not random. There is a profound purpose hidden inside of it. The Bible reminds us in Romans chapter 8 verse 28 that all things, not some things, but all things work together for good for those who love God. Think about that. The heartbreak that felt like it would shatter you. The disappointment that knocked the wind out of you. That major setback. That devastating loss. God takes every single one of those broken pieces and uses them to build something stronger, something more resilient, something more beautiful within you. The enemy wants your pain to be the thing that breaks you, but God uses that exact same pain to shape you, to mold you, to prepare you for what's next. Your testimony is being written right now, in the middle of your struggle. If you believe something good is coming out of this, just comment below, "I trust God." For more messages that can change your life, make sure you follow The Beatz Breaker.